Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all 10 things to do when you're bored. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you could do is to clean your room. Now just get done with this thing because we keep on avoiding it and then we end up cluttering our room. So just declutter it, get it cleaned, and this way you not only feel good, but your parents will also compliment you. So get it done. The next thing that you could do is to DIY something. Now this can be anything, whatever you like, and I'm sure online you'll find something or the other that will be completely easy and worth the time to DIY, like phone cases, school supplies, room decor and whatnot. I like to do this. Now this is basically envelopes that I've made on my own, like buying colorful sheets and making them into an envelope, and then I decorated them with these quilling strips. Now you know any Indian wedding is incomplete without these envelopes, so I feel they look really personalized and you will definitely love doing them. I just put on some music in the background and start making them. They're so worth the time and really easy and pretty to do. Another thing that you could do is to draw or color. Now this is one of the most best ways to kind of calm yourself and soothe your mind, because coloring and drawing is really nice for your mental health as well. If you feel you aren't an artist, then just start by coloring, because I'm sure everyone was an artist when they were probably in kindergarten. So just go ahead and color, and yeah, probably this might become your next hobby. Another thing that you could do is to read, and just read anything, whether it's newspapers, articles, magazines, novels. Now, if you aren't a reader, you are missing out on the most amazing parts of your life, because reading is a different world. It's like, the words are grabbing you in their own world, and I've been reading since I was 12 and I love it and I'm addicted to it. So you should definitely give it a shot. Next is to read motivational quotes. This is also something that I've been doing since I was 15 years old. I just Google motivational quotes or thoughts and I keep on scrolling side by side, reading them. And they are so inspiring. They help you kind of make yourself a better person. And one more tip that I would like to add on in this is what I do. I jot down all of my favorite quotes in a book like this, or probably in a piece of paper. And the next time when I'm feeling low, I just read them. And you should do this, and I'm sure you'll thank me later, because it is so worth it. The next thing that you could do is to make a wish list. Now we all have plethora of things that we want to do, because these days whatever you see on social media, you just feel a little left out, or you feel that you need that thing, and I'm sure we aren't that rich to buy whatever we want. So it's better to make a wish list, put it on your wall, and then just go through it every other day, and that will motivate you to go further to accomplish and complete your wish list. You could do the same thing with your goals. It can be either academic goals or life goals, whichever you want to achieve, and just write them down on a piece of paper, stick them, and it'll motivate you every single day. This is the best thing to do when you're bored, because when you're bored, you have so many thoughts and ideas in your mind. It's better to jot them down than to just keep on thinking about them and wondering them in your mind. Another thing that you could do when you're bored is to plan ahead. Now, planning ahead is so crucial and important, because you do not want to end up your entire day in first planning and then doing those things. So it's better to do it prior. Now, I just write all of the assignments that I'm having, probably submissions, and then exams that I'm having. My exams are going to start from 15th, so I've just planned everything ahead. And this is a great way to use your boring time. Another thing that you could do is to pamper yourself. You could either go for a spa, a salon, or just get all your favorite beauty products and get into your shower, use them, apply a sheet mask or any mask and pamper yourself, because why not? I mean, you need to get out some time for yourself in your entire schedule. Next thing is to make a letter or probably write a letter to yourself. And this is so good thing to do whenever you are bored, because you have so many thoughts, you have so many mixed feelings running in you. So write those down feeling and write down whatever you feel. Probably write a letter to your future self or your teen and give it to yourself whenever you turn a certain age, 30, 50, or maybe just keep it there so that you could read the next time you feel a little low or you want some life lessons from your own self. So yeah, definitely give it a shot. Another thing that you could do is to get out of the house. Now just get out of the house, explore around, go on a walk, or probably get things done which are outside of your house, and you will feel so much better, because once you breathe in the fresh air, the actual air, you will love it. So these were the things that you could do when you're bored. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.